me, Mario! Woohoo! Let's go!
Hello and welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make Mario as he looked in the 2DS Nintendo games using Google Sheets. As you can see, the Mario we are going to draw is pixelated, meaning that he is made up of squares. The cells in Google Sheets are a rectangle right now. To make the cell square shape, select the rows A to Z, then right click on one of the cells. Some options will come up and you want to select the option that says resize rows A to Z. I usually put the pixel size at 21, so you can choose how big you want your pixels to be. Once you have selected your pixel size, press OK and do the same thing with the columns following the same steps. Now that you have as many pixels as you desire, let's start making our Mario. Let's first begin drawing Mario's hat. Highlight 5 pixels to the right and fill it in with red. Do the same thing on the next row, but this time with 9 pixels. There should be 1 extra pixel on the left side and 3 extra on the right side. The finished product of Mario's hat should look like this. Now let's give Mario his head. Right under his hat, put a line of 7 gold pixels. Comment down below your thoughts on this different type of video. On the next row, put 10 gold pixels. Don't forget to line them up properly. Now follow the steps on the screen to complete the base of Mario's head. To add Mario's facial appearances, add Mario's eyes, mustache, and hair. The finished product should look like this. To make Mario's overalls, just follow the steps on the screen. Make sure the pixels are in the correct spot. Don't forget to add golden buttons on Mario's overalls. Make Mario's suit red by turning the pixels around Mario's bed as shown. The finished product of Mario's suit should look like this. I'll fill in the 7 pixels of Mario's hand on each side. The last part of this project is to make Mario's boots. Make sure you make them 2 layers, otherwise Mario will look kinda weird. Once you finish, you've successfully completed making your pixelated Mario from Google Sheets. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. I hope to see you in the next video, and I'll see you next time. Bye!